Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a relaxing nighttime clean with me. I've already put Emerson to bed, and before I get ready for bed myself, I wanted to knock out a few things because we've had a really busy week and a really busy day, and I just wasn't able to get it done. I'm really going to be focusing on the master bedroom, and I wanted to change out the sheets, but before I stripped it all the way down to the mattress, I'm going to leave the sheets on and clean the ceiling fan. I know that sounds kind of random, but it's really dusty and it's been bothering me lately. So I decided that tonight was the night I was going to dust it. The easiest way to clean a ceiling fan is to use a pillowcase and put it over each of the fan blades. It catches all of the dust pretty much and keeps it from falling all over the bed and all over yourself. And then I'm just giving the fan blades a little wipe down with a microfiber cloth and my Young Living Thieves household cleaner. I was going to wash the sheets that I was going to take off of the bed, but I realized that I really needed to do a load of towels so that I could have some kitchen towels to do the dishes with the next day. So I'm going to go ahead and start a load of towels. This video is in partnership with Odor Cleanse, but I've been using Odor Cleanse for about a year now because their products are amazing for removing odors out of anything in your house. I have noticed that my towels get pretty stinky. I think it's because we live in such a humid environment, but to help combat the stink, I'm using Odor Cleanse Sport Laundry Additive. I've been using Odor Cleanse for quite a while now, and it really does a great job of getting any kind of odors out of your laundry. They have all kinds of other products as well, including a pet line and spot treatment, but today I'm using the Sport Laundry Additive. You just add a scoop to your laundry and wash your clothes like normal, and it does a great job of removing the odor. Odor Cleanse is made with earth minerals, which are safe to use around your children and your pets. I'm not going to name any names, but there's a certain member of our household that has pretty stinky shoes. So I'm going to use the odor eliminating powder and put it in Andrew's shoes and let it sit overnight, and then he can just go ahead and wear them like normal the next day. I have a 15% coupon code for you guys if you want to check out Odor Cleanse for yourself. The code is SIMPLE15 for 15% off of your purchase. And I also have the Sport Laundry Additive and the shoe powder linked down below as well. Now that I've cleaned the ceiling fan, I'm going to finish stripping the bed of the sheets. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again. And give the mattress a quick vacuum. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? These are a spare pair of sheets. They're definitely not the prettiest, but it's so nice to have an extra pair of sheets on hand, at least 2 sets. That way when it is time to switch out the sheets, you don't have to wait for the laundry to wash and dry before you can make the bed again. You can just replace your previous sheets with a brand new set right away. I know that it is nighttime and not completely necessary to make the whole bed up, but I do like making the bed before I get into it. I just think it feels really good And while I'm cleaning the room, it'll help me feel satisfied that I have actually cleaned the room, because your bed makes up something like 75% of your room. If your bed is messy, the rest of the room feels messy. So since I'm cleaning, I figured I might as well just make the bed. And now I'm moving on to dusting off the side tables and the lamps. I'm just using a microfiber cloth and my Thieves Household Cleaner by Young Living. I feel like I'm constantly cleaning off this mirror because Emmy likes to look at herself in this mirror and she leaves little tiny fingerprints. So anytime I go to look at myself in the mirror or take a quick selfie, I always have to clean it because there are just little tiny fingerprints everywhere. I love it. I think it's super cute. I'm not complaining. I just thought I'd point that out. And then I'm giving the floor just a quick vacuum with my Dyson stick vacuum. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. And I also have pretty much everything else that I use to clean in this video linked down below as well. Moving on to the master bathroom, I'm starting by cleaning off the countertops and putting toiletries and hairbrushes away where they belong. For the mirrors, I am using a microfiber cloth and my Thieves Household Cleaner. Again, I'm going to use this Thieves Household Cleaner on everything in my bathroom, but it does an amazing job on the mirrors. It's by far my favorite product that I have tried to clean my mirrors. It leaves them super clear and smudge free. And for the countertops, again, I'm using the Thieves Household Cleaner. It's made with essential oils, so it's 100% non-toxic. It comes in a bottle that is super concentrated and you dilute it with water, so the bottle lasts you forever and it smells like Christmas, which is a nice little bonus.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bright. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter.
For the toilet, I am using the Thieves Household Cleaner again, but I'm using a paper towel because I just don't like the idea of using reusable cloths on the toilet. I just don't know that I trust the washing machine to get out all of that grossness. So I just go ahead and use a paper towel and throw it away when I'm done.
Sometimes when you're
This is my new favorite thing that I've been using lately. It's the Clorox toilet wand. The heads are disposable, so you use them one time and then throw them in the trash, and you don't have to touch anything gross, and you also don't have a toilet brush just chilling in your bathroom, which in my opinion is pretty gross, but also Emmy kept getting into it, so this is my favorite new product. I'm giving the shelves and any decorations a little wipe down as well.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
And now I'm sweeping the floor with my Dyson vacuum. By this point I was feeling kind of sore, so I am not going to mop my floors tonight. I'll probably ask Andrew to do it for me tomorrow. He's been so sweet about helping me with chores around the house, and mopping is just one of those things that he has been helping me do lately, and that's been so sweet of him, and I really appreciate it. I've been trying to stay on top of cleaning out the shower lately because if you let it go too long, it's so much harder to clean. So I've just been doing this frequently. I also take baths in here, so that kind of helps me to stay motivated to keep it clean, because there's nothing worse than going to take a bath in a dirty bathtub. But to clean my shower, my favorite product to start out with is a magic eraser. It really cuts through any of the shower soap scum that gets built up. I keep one of these in the bathroom at all times, so right before I go to take a bath, I just give the bathtub a real quick scrub down, and that's really helped me maintain the shower and keep it from getting out of control. And then to kind of disinfect the surface, I'm spraying it with my Thieves household cleaner. The essential oils in this cleaner does help to kill bacteria. So I'm just going to spray this on all of the surfaces and let it sit. And that is it for my relaxing nighttime clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you got some motivation out of it. Cleaning doesn't have to be a big ordeal. If you do it in tiny little sections like I did tonight, you can really knock things out and not cause yourself a whole lot of stress. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you guys are subscribed if you have not already. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up also. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.